This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a combination countdown timer and also solid state relay that we sell. Both come in are model numbers with a NEMA type enclosure. It's a NEMA 4X enclosure. It is splash and waterproof, not submergible, but it's definitely an environmentally sound NEMA enclosure for moisture. And it's NEMA 4X, and this is a 6-inch countdown timer. We call it the DC60 T down dash BCD, and I've got 3 switches connected to it. It has 3 inputs. They're opto-coupled, and you can use it for either contact closure or a PNP type input. And then it has the BCD switches down here in the lower left corner, which you can set, and this is minutes and seconds, so it'd be up to 99 minutes, 59 seconds. And then this is a 10 amp solid state relay installed into a NEMA enclosure, and I've got the lid kind of loose so I can get in and making connections and whatnot. It is 5 volts input, or 3 to 32 volts input, and then also 120 output. The relay is rated for 25 amps, but the customer only needs it for 10, and we have it fused for 10, and that's what our standard product is 10 amps. I've got it connected to a drill, so on the end, at the end of period, the drill will go off. It's set up for 3 seconds. That's our standard end of period. And then I have some connection wires here that are going into the opto board, and also 120 volt cord. This comes with it, the cord comes with it, the wires here do not. The 25 foot of cable comes with the relay, and it's all connected right now to kind of give you a demonstration. But we have 3 inputs. We have reset and start, reset to the value obviously, and start. We have start stop, and then we have just a reset. So I'm going to go ahead and show you just a reset, and that just tells you what time you have, how much time you have set for. You can change it at any time, but it's only going to take effect on the next reset count or reset timer. And so you got start stop, so I'm just going to start it and then stop it, and then reset and start. So we're going to reset to the value and start. Now it's going to start counting down, and when it gets to 0, it's going to do a 3-second relay contact closure, and also. And as you can tell, it's turned on the drill for 3 seconds. The company that's using this is going to be connecting it to a high output horn it's for a foundry, and they needed something that was remote relay and also that can handle a heavy load. So we have our DC-SSR-10 and then we put it in a NEMA enclosure. You can get this in a metal enclosure too, and also you can get the DC60 T down BCD in a aluminum enclosure, extruded aluminum enclosure for non-moisture areas. But we make this also for outdoor in an aluminum enclosure. So it just kind of gives you an idea of what the NEMA enclosure. What it looks like. It is hinged, and you mount it. You flip this up, and then there's holes that you mount that come through the back, and that's how you mount it to the wall. There's terminal blocks over here. You need a smaller screwdriver for that, and then there's terminal blocks over here for your output. So your input's over here and your output's over here, and then you have a 9-foot. It's also a oil-resistant, water-resistant cord for your 110. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating DC-60T-DN-BCD in a NEMA enclosure, and also our DC-SSR-10-NEMA relay, solid state relay in a NEMA enclosure. Thank you.